Today, we will learn the various components that together comprise what is known as accounting equation. Accounting equation. Accounting equation is the basic tool of accounting.
First, we must know the main elements of the financial position.
Those elements are assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. What is assets? Assets are economic resources that are expected to benefit the business in the future. Those are intangible assets, current assets, and non-current assets. Liabilities. Liabilities are present obligations of an entity arising from past events. Types of liabilities are current liabilities and long-term liability. Current liabilities. And long-term liabilities. What is owner's equity? Owner's equity is the owner's claim to the assets of the entity after deducting all its liabilities. Owner's equity is increased by capital and revenues. Meanwhile, it is also can be decreased by expenses and drawings. The extended accounting equation are as follows.
Moving on to scene number 1. Mr. Najmi is a businessman who sells potato chips, which is branded Waffles. In this business, there are many assets, such as this building. It is a non-current asset, while the brand Waffles is an intangible asset. Come in.
Hello, Mr. Najmi.
Oh, it's you, Saleh.
I want to pay my debts.
That's wonderful.
Here is your money.
Hey, Paan. Ready to receive your paycheck? Yay! Thank you, Mr. Najmi. So Sally has paid me her debt, which has increased my current asset. I also have paid Paan his salary, which increased my expenses. And now I'm going to pay my long-term liabilities, which is the bank loans. Hello, Mr. Najmi here. What? Emergency? I have to go now. I also have to withdraw some cash from the business. I have to hurry. Looks like some drawings have been made. Moving on to scene number 2.
Thanks for the goods, Mr. Najmi.
You're welcome, Sarah.
I promise I will pay later.
just sold goods to Sarah. This transaction can be considered as a revenue. Now moving on to scene 3. This car was bought since I started the business. This car can be considered as a capital. Now that concludes the topic of accounting equation. Moving on to the next one.
Double entry system. Used by business to show the effects of a transaction in an accounting period. Even though we have accounting equation, it is impossible to use it for hundreds of transactions. It also doesn't tell us who and the amount owed to and by them. The ledger account. Part of the accounting function is to classify the effects of transactions into assets, liabilities, and equities. It also acts as a summarization of the financial statement. Double entry system has an account for every item in each element, such as assets, liabilities, owner's equity, revenues, and expenses. An account also provides an increase and decrease in each item in the financial statement. All accounts maintained by an entity are collectively called general ledger. Two common methods of presenting account is T-account format and columnar format. T-account format, known for similarity to letter T. It is divided into left and right. Left is debit and right is columnar format. The name is from the fact that there is 3 money columns to every account. Double entry rules. In accounting equation, effects on elements are marked as increase and decrease. But in a double entry system, the effects are debited and credited. Whether it's an increase or a decrease, it depends on the type of the account. As such, these changes are applied if such an account shows an increase in those accounts.
Hi, I'm Sally. I just started the business. I perform computer services. The new equipment. Okay, I'll pay 5,000 cash. The rest I'll pay later.
Wrong with my computer. I better call Sally.
That will be 4,000 ringgit.
I promise I'll pay you later by the end of the month.
repairing Wafa's computer. Are you done, Sally? Yes, I'm done. It'll be 5,000 ringgit.
Thanks, Sally. Here's your 5,000 ringgit.
It's 10th January. I need to pay the rent. I'd better go to my premise owner, Elaine. Hi, Elaine. This is 2,000, the rent for this month.
Thank you, Sally.
Oh no. I haven't any money left to go shopping. I need to withdraw some money from my business. Phew. Good thing I withdrew 200 from my business. Now I'm happy!